Njengoba ngiyaye ngisho ukuthi kuya ngokuthi into uyibuka kanjani. There are always two sides in everything, you see. As much as we don't like to go to work, as long as it's not our favorite going to work, but there are some benefits that going to work brings to you. Those benefits include structure. Your life is structured because you are working. You know, I wake up at this time, I do one, I do two, I do three. You see, so that is the structure that going to work brings to you. Another thing, it is the matter of social interaction. So the social interaction that going to work brings to you is spectacular. So the retirees, when they have retired, you see there was a research that was conducted. It showed that they have that social they used to have that social isolation, you see, of which it equates to smoking 15 cigarettes per day. That's isolation that they put themselves into. They don't even remember when was the last time they spoke to someone except their wives or husbands ngalesi sikhathi. Kubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona letho ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Further to that, ukusebenza ke also kubringa that mental challenge, because your mind needs to be challenged, because if your mind uba obsolete, awubi strong, awubi sharp, awu develop those neural connections, neural pathways, you see. Because umqondo nawo usebenza njenga ugain ama-muscle, just like when we are going to the gym, uyogym. Even umqondo ke if engage ngama-challenges omsebenzi athile uba strong, yabo, uba na that vitality. So where the retirees ke they used to decay, yabo, umqondo wabo used to be stagnant, and then they are not involved in any challenge, you see. If they did not like start any challenge that they will put themselves into. So another thing futhi that going to work brings to you ilento ye identity, because iyavela laphana na we research ukuthi ke 10 years after the retirees have retired, they still associate themselves with the job they were doing, you see, because now they have that identity crisis, who am I now? Because I'm no longer a teacher, I'm no longer a nurse, I'm no longer a cashier, I'm no longer a teller. Who am I right now, you see? So that is why it stays in their mind. So yeah, that's the benefit that going to work brings to you. Lastly, it brings this thing of purpose, because our minds evolved ngokwe contribution, ngokwe positive contribution. We need to positively contribute. That's how we evolved. That's how our brains evolved, to which we contribute meaningful contributions, bring that fulfillment in our lives. So now, if now we've retired or now we are not working, so like leyo contribution leyo ayibi khona mangabe ungazange uyiqale. And it is said that the research that was conducted on initial workers, it showed ukuthi the retirees who have retired at 55, more than 70% of them, even more than 80, they used to die within 10 years, you see. Because now there's this thing of depression, there's this thing of anxiety, there are so many things that are happening that shows what now this person is deteriorating, you see. So I'll advise what outside of work, you gotta develop some interactions, you see, outside of work, other interactions that will continue even if we are no longer working. Some people, they have clubs, some people, they have like there are so many things out there, organizations, you see, all of those things, business partners. Yeah, so it will give you that interaction, you see, rather than like kuhlala nje ungenzi lutho. And also futhi you have to develop maybe a new objective before you retire, or before uyeke nje umsebenzi. You have to develop new objectives, yabo, new goals, new visions, so that you will contribute meaningfully, yabo. So there may be two reasons uthola ukuthi umuntu oretire uyambona futhi useyasebenza. Kungaba isimo semali, kungaba isimo salento engikhuluma ngayo njengamanje, yabo. So kungaba ilonto leyo. More especially ke mangabe ukuthi uretire nje use mhlambe early retirement, because nama insurance companies ayabuka phela ukuthi wena so umuntu osesimbeka ukuthi usezoshona nivele based on the life expectancy, or so umuntu osazophila. If kuukuthi wena no, it looks like you are still young, you see you've taken an early retirement, they can pay you imali encane, yabo, those annuities, yabo, there's those living annuities, because there are so many things that they consider before they give you leyo mali leyo, ukuthi I know wena sokhokhela isikhathi eside usazophila wena, and then bakunikeza imali encane. So ngamenza umuntu ukuthi umbone esehamba futhi eyosebenza futhi eseqala umunye umsebenzi, noma ke yilokho ukuthi no man, what is it that I'm doing. Thola abanye babhala incwadi, abanye yabo, they lecture, they do all sorts of things to, yabo, run away from lento le engiyishoyo. So ezinye zezinto ke, whether umncane ke noma umdala, izinto kumele ukuthi uyiqaphele lezi. Time flies guys, time flies, yabo. Nje uwa nje manje uthi uneminyaka emingaka, ubucabanga wawuthi usunale minyaka, wawucabanga ukuthi wena ubusowaba inkinsela yasemgungundlovu. Buka isikhathi esiyagijima, yabo. So wenzani, what is it that you are doing outside lento yomsebenzi? Lento yomsebenzi into ezophela leya, into ezophela indaba yayo, so retire noma uyeke, but wenzani empilweni yakho, yabo, yabo, uyayibona lonto leyo. Some people ke abafisa ukuthi beyeke endleleni emsebenzini, I used to advise ukuthi awukwazi ukuvela uyeke ingakabikho into that you are responding to, you see, that you are responding to, because we know that you good people as generators, if you constantly go to work that does not fulfill you, your sacral will tell you ukuthi no man, I'm getting frustrated and I'm depleting day by day. So just quitting that job without you responding to something else will put you into this scenario of you losing purpose, not being challenged, stagnation, depression. You see all of those things, not unless ke kukhona okuqalayo. Other than that ke, good people akukho engakusho nje ngaphandle ukuthi ke we are going to be too much on spiritual activities in this calendar year. Also uqalile, we are going to be too much lapha ku YouTube. So ngafika usubscribe nje, channel members, thank you so much. And if you are a channel member, you'll be able to engage with me ngalebo live labo bama spiritual practices, maybe 1 hour per day, then we are all set and done. If you want to book a chart reading session with me to know what type are you when it comes to energy, how is your aura, are you a projector, are you a generator, are you a reflector, are you a manifester? If you want to book to know yourself better, why you do the things you do, you can book via the link that is there on the bio. There's even a number there that you can WhatsApp if you come across any obstacles or challenges. That's number you WhatsApp it if you want to, if you come across the challenges. Particularly we used to see people calling it and texting it. Yeah, sabantu. Other than that, danko.